if you are keen to know about the secret of manifestation, then watch this video till end. Hi, I'm Sangeeta Sharma, life design and emotional mastery coach, author of book 4 Layers to Your Dream Life, clinical hypnotherapist, NLP practitioner, energy healer and a speaker. Let me share with you a very beautiful story. One day a sage and a disciple reached a big city. They decided to rest and spend the night there. They reached the big park, found a beautiful place beneath the tree, and decided to sleep after having whatever food they had. Opposite to that park, there was a big brand new hotel sparkling with the lights. The disciple was looking at that hotel and asked the sage, "Why don't we go and eat there and sleep there for today's night?" The sage looked at the disciple, smiled, and closed his eyes and started meditating. Few minutes passed by. A rich man approached them, touched the feet of the sage, and requested him to be his guest for that night. The sage opened his eyes and asked him why he wanted them to be his guest for the night. The rich man replied that I am the owner of that brand new hotel, and today is the inaugural day of that hotel, and I had committed to myself that my first guest will be a spiritual man. For that I had invited my guru, but my guru had to go to some other big event, and I was upset since morning. And one of my staff members saw you meditating here, and they told me about you, so I have come to you to request you to be my guest so that I can fulfill my commitment. He pleaded in front of them to be his guest. And they accepted the invitation, went into that hotel, had a food, very nice food, and were about to sleep. But the disciple was very much puzzled. He asked the sage, "How did you do this?" The sage smiled and told him that this is the power of the thought. If you think with full concentration, having 100% belief about whatever you want to manifest, and do not let any doubt come into your mind, then that thought is definitely going to become a reality. That way you can manifest whatever you want to manifest. So you got it? So if you want to manifest anything, put that thought onto your mental screen, and with full concentration, without a doubt, and have 100% of belief that it is going to become your reality one day. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.